And welcome, guys. Today we will be learning how to apply assets and apply shading to them. We will first go to the Unity asset store and download some free assets, 3D assets from the store. As you can see, I've typed out a scenario and then I've searched it up. Now we'll be downloading the cartoon buildings assets because it's quite small and I've got all the important assets, the 3 buildings of different aspect and ratios. So I'm adding it to my assets, to my Unity profile. Just like this, I'm opening this in my Unity profile, in which I've already opened the project in which I will be using them. And from then, the package manager window will open and I will download my assets to be imported into my current project. Now I will import the assets by clicking all and then clicking on import. Now the assets have been added to my current project and I can go to the scene to load it up. Sorry, but you can go to the cartoon buildings folder, as you can see in the project window, and click on scene to load it up. Double click on the scene and now the assets had been loaded up into the main scenery. We can change up the viewing angles a little bit to properly see them. Now we can see them properly. Now when we click on the individual assets, we can also move them around. I'm moving them around to distance them a little bit so that I can see the proper shading and the lighting. I can also move the plane below so that I can also see the rays impact and the shadow, how it will interact with the buildings and the light. I can also move around the buildings, as you can see, or I can go to the inspector window and also type out the exact positions that I want them at. As you can see, X0, Y0 and Z0. This is me just playing around with them. So that I'm searching for the optimal position so that they can properly be seen from the given lighting conditions. When you load up a scenario, there are 2 lights given, a directional lighting and a spotlight. But when I load up the scenario, a directional light has already been given to me. So I'm making use of that and changing up its position so that I can have a better viewing angle. I can also change the rotation of the sun, as you can see. I can also zoom out and see the whole effect of it. I can also change the plane direction so that I can see it in different lighting and different directions. Now this is the original direction light that was loaded up with the scene, but I'm not using it. I'm currently just seeing that how it will interact with the scenery. You can rotate it on all the 3 axes just like this and create a sunset or a sunrise mood with it. As you can see how different angles are shading our assets in different ways. Thank you and have a good day.